Sa video ito, pag-uusapan natin kung paano mag-factor ng sum or difference of two cubes. So pag sinabi nating cubes, you are going to multiply a number by itself 3 times. So for example, meron kang 2. So pag yung number is 2, so 2 times 2 times 2, 8. So the cube of 2 is simply 8. If you have also x times x times x, it's going to be x raised to 3. So the cube of x is x raised to 3. So yan yung mga cubes natin. We are going to also recall another special product. We have a minus b, the quantity a minus b times a squared plus a times b plus b squared is equal to a cube minus b cube. And then we have also a plus b times the quantity a squared minus a times b plus b squared. We have a cube plus b cube. For our first example, we have y cube minus 27. So dito we're going to name our first term as 8 to the third power or a cube. Yung 27 naman, lalabelan natin ng b cube, so that we could recognize kung saang pattern ang susundan natin. So we have a cube minus b cube. So yung first pattern ang susundan natin. So we have to get the value of a. So to do that, ang gagawin nyo, a is equal to, kunin lang natin yung cube root ng a cube or yung y cube natin. So that is simply y. Yung b naman is going to be the cube root of 27. So that's 3. So 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. And then in this values of a and b, we're going to supply it into the given equation. Yung a natin is y. Then minus yung b is 3. And then we have a squared. We're going to get the square of y. So y times y is y squared plus the product of a and b. So 3 times y is 3y plus the square of b, which is 3 times 3, that's 9. So ito na yung factored form natin for our binomial, yung y cube minus 27. Paano naman kung positive ito? So we have, for example, y cube plus 27. So instead na ang susundan natin is yung unang equation na merong a cube minus b cube, ang susundan na nating pattern is itong pangalawa. So applying the same values of a and b, kasi same naman lang yung values natin, pero ang susundan natin is itong pangalawa. So we have y minus y plus 3. So we have a squared, parehas lang din sila. So magpapalit lang is yung operation. So 3y plus 9. So ito yung kabaliktad niya in terms of the operation. So ito yung positive, ito yung negative. Example number 2 is x cubed plus 1000. So ito yung a cube natin, and then ito yung b cube natin. So meron tayong addition, so ang susundan natin is itong pangalawang pattern. So kunin natin yung a is equal to the cube root of x cube, that is x. And then we have b is equal to the cube root of 1000. So we have 10 times 10 times 10, so that's 10. 1000. So we have x is our a and 10 is our b. So, apply na natin sa second pattern. So, we have A is X plus B is 10. We have A squared is X times X. X is squared. Minus 10 times X. That's 10X. Plus the square of B, which is 100. Ito na yung factored form. Example number 3. Ito yung last natin for this lesson. We have 8y cubed minus 8n to the 6th. So, ang susundan nating pattern, ito ay negative. So, yung nauna, we have a equals the cube root of 8y cubed. That is equal to 2y. Then, b natin is the cube root of 8n raised to 6. That is equal to 2n. So, yung exponent, dinidivide lang yan with the index of the radical. So, 6 divided by 3. Ito, 6 divided by 3, you have 2. So, balikan nyo dito, 3 divided by 3. Kung makita nyo, yung exponent natin is 1 na lang. And so, applying that with our pattern, yung naunang pattern ang susundan natin, a minus b. So, we have 2y minus our b, 2n squared. We have a squared. So, 2y times 2y is 4y squared. Plus a times b, 2y times 2n squared. So, we have 4yn squared. And then, we're going to get the square of b. So, 2n squared plus times 2n squared. That's 4n to the 4th. So, ayan na yung factored form natin.